Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix low engagement on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. And make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to know is that for high engagement on Instagram, content originality plays a very vital role. So if you have an original content without copied from any other Instagram creators, then that's basically in favor to increase your engagement on Instagram. So create an original content, and the next thing is your ads on Instagram. So now the ads on the Instagram aren't organic as it used to be, because you can simply just buy or pay the Instagram to boost or have ads played on your Instagram, which later increases the engagement of your Instagram. And the third thing is by sharing your created content to different social media platforms, simply by sharing selected reel that you want to share and selecting it to the app that you want to share. And once you are done with all that, this will increase your engagement on Instagram. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.